Good day, I'm Andrea Chizom and this is your JIS News for Thursday, January 7. The Bureau of Standards Jamaica BSJ has cleared 2 other gas stations to resume full operations, even as pumps at several others remain closed due to contaminated gasoline. Simone Wolf has more in this report.
The Bureau of Standards had initially closed 17 gas stations after tests confirmed contamination in their E1087 and E1090 products. 12 stations were subsequently reopened, but the BSJ says pumps from 3 of those stations have been reissued with notices of detention and seals placed on the affected pumps because they now contain high levels of contaminants. Of the remaining 5, 2 located in Manchester and Kingston have now been cleared to resume full operations. The other 3, which are located in St. James, Kingston and Clarendon, have only been cleared to reopen one of their pumps each, as there is still evidence of contamination. The Bureau of Standards says all the stations that have failed the latest tests exceeded the allowable limit for the non-volatile component of the fuel, known as the unwashed gum test. Gas station owners and their respective suppliers will be required to undertake the necessary corrective measures to ensure their petroleum products are within acceptable limits. Going forward, the BSJ says it will monitor petroleum products imported and will conduct a series of tests on them before they are released into the market. Gas station owners who contravene the notices of detention or tamper with the seals will be reported to the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, MOCA. Simone Wolf reporting for JIS News.
Health Minister Horace Dalley is appealing to Jamaicans to assist with Zika virus preparations by taking measures to reduce the breeding of mosquitoes and protecting themselves from mosquito bites. He says the ministry continues its heightened activities as it prepares for the possible introduction of the Zika virus, but citizens must play a part. Given that the virus has been spreading across the Americas, with the local spread in 13 countries now, Minister Dalley is urging Jamaicans to clean up their environment, destroy mosquito breeding sites, and protect against bites. The Zika virus is spread in the same way as chikungunya and dengue, and via the same mosquito, the Aedes aegypti. Persons can destroy mosquito breeding sites by looking for anything around the home, school, churches, and business places that may collect water and either cover it, keep it dry, or dispose of it. Persons should also protect themselves from mosquito bites by using insect repellent containing DEET, IR3535 or icaridin, sleep under a mosquito net, putting mesh on windows and doors, and wearing long-sleeved clothing where possible. Individuals who wish to obtain more information may call the Ministry of Health or the nearest health center. Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites says the government is working to transform technical schools into strong academies that will better prepare students for the workplace. He says the goal is to have work-ready graduates.
The Ministry of Education is on a drive to ensure that our young people, you who graduate from school, have a strong basis in technical studies, because that is taking the swing in the world abroad.
The Education Minister was speaking at the 120th anniversary church service for the Kingston Technical High School held at the Pentecostal Tabernacle Church in downtown Kingston yesterday. He implored the students not to waste their educational opportunities.
Your corner is dark if you don't get a good education anywhere in the world. And when you do get a good education, it is something that is beyond value.
As of midnight, there will be new traffic arrangements to access CAYMANAS Bay and CAYMANAS Golf and Country Club located off the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine. The National Works Agency NWA says traffic signals at the existing location of the CAYMANAS Bay access road will be taken out of service and the existing access road will be closed permanently. New traffic signals installed along Mandela Highway between the Portmore Crossing and the original CAYMANAS Bay access road will be brought into service, allowing persons to access CAYMANAS Bay and CAYMANAS Golf and Country Club safely. The National Works Agency is advising motorists to note the changes to the CAYMANAS Bay intersection and follow the signs and directions that have been posted. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is calling for unity among Jamaicans in the interest of building a brighter nation.
All Jamaicans should remember that no matter our social or economic status, no matter our religion or political persuasion, we are Jamaicans first. Now is the time to put Jamaica first.
The Prime Minister was speaking Wednesday at the 11th annual Heal the Family, Heal the Nation church service held at the National Arena. She said good relations in families were essential to building a stronger country. Mrs. Simpson-Miller also lauded the church for being a strong pillar of nation building as it provided a moral compass for the people. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.